Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8, and today I will show you how we can boot this device into download mode. Now, you might think that this device no longer has download mode, which would be a fair assumption. I actually thought that they no longer did after Samsung changed from One UI, I believe 8.1 to 8.2. They got it things like recovery mode, remove download modes, and so on. But turns out you actually can access download mode. You still need a cable for this, so I have one prepared right here plugged into my computer, and I'll be using it in a moment. But now we actually do additional step that before didn't exist. So first we need to go into our settings, and in the settings you want to navigate to, I believe it was device care or something along those lines. Device care, and scroll all the way down to maintenance mode and select turn on. Now we do need to have a screen lock for this, so we're gonna do set a screen lock. I'm gonna choose whatever we want, so I'm gonna be selecting pattern right here. Continue, repeat it, confirm. Done. So you can now select turn on, restart, confirm, screen lock. What this will do is put the device into a mode that you would use when it breaks and you want to give it to the repair service. Traditionally, you would have needed to wipe your device for them to bullshit reasons to basically test it or whatnot, which was just, I think, them being cunts and trying to get you to remove your data just to make your life annoying. But now you have this mode. You don't need to reset your device, remove all the data, or back it up or anyway. You just put this phone into this mode, and once it boots up, for instance, repair service can access whatever the hell they need, but they have no access to your personal information whatsoever. Anyway, let's just wait for this to create the logs or whatever and boot back up into that repair mode, and I'm gonna pick up from at that point. Okay, so you can see we are now almost there. It prompts me to confirm my SIM card PIN. Typically, when you go and give your phone to repair, you'll probably remove your SIM card, but this is for download purposes, so it doesn't really matter. We're not going to be removing it. We're just going to confirm it. And you can see maintenance mode. Here it removed all the applications that we have installed from view. And like I said, there's no data in here, so if I were to open up something like gallery, there's literally nothing here. There's no accounts signed in that are visible or anything like that. So with that in mind, we're now gonna swipe down from the top right side, click on the power button right here, and we're just gonna select power off. Now, I believe we need to have our device open for this because download mode only shows up on one display, which I believe is the internal one. At least that's how it was on Fold 6 and I believe 7 as well. So from here we can grab the cable, plug it in, and you want to give it a moment. It will take it a couple of seconds before we actually see the percentage, which is what we need to see on the display. How did they change the percentage? So it looks like it no longer shows us the percentage. So I'm going to presume it's just a changed for no reason, and I'm going to try this. So we're going to press all the buttons, volume up, down, and power at the same time. And I'm going to kind of hold it in a weird way where I get to see everything. So I can check the front and the back, because I'm not sure. Oh, there we go. So you can see it turns blue, at which point you can let go of the buttons. Now I will be unplugging the cable, but obviously if you're using this for download mode, when you wanted to do something with the download mode, you probably want to keep it plugged in. I'm only showing this how to access this, and the cable is not needed for me because I'm not going to be really doing anything with it. But once you have this page visible, you can see that it tells us that a custom OS it can cause blah blah blah. It's just bullshit. Samsung speaks, so you don't remove their OS just because boo-hoo our data. We're selling your information so we can make record-breaking profits. So anyway, we're going to completely disregard this BS, but there's one important thing. If you were ever installing a custom OS on your device or unlocking even the bootloader, things like Knox become completely tripped up and they don't work. Your cameras don't work, and I believe there are some other things that are also not working. It's Samsung just trying to force you into using their OS just so you have no other choice unless you are okay by losing some of the functionality of the device which you paid for. And their bullshit excuses like, oh, we are doing specific tuning to the camera, so we don't want our devices to, or photos from our devices to sway public's opinion of it. They're shit. Let's not kid ourselves. Samsung photos are shit in my opinion, unless it's the Ultra. So in reality, it's not such a bad thing if I would be able to use a camera that doesn't do AI tweaking. Now in any case, on this page we're just going to press volume up, as this is what brings us to the download mode, and you can see it's much dimmer for some reason right here, but there we go. You can see it says download mode right here. So we are in this mode. Now typically when you're booting into this mode for some reason, you will, everything that will be utilizing this mode will basically go through it automatically. So once whatever process you were doing, like flashing something, it will automatically boot the device out of this mode. But if you're like me and you want to leave this mode without doing anything with it, you can press the power button and volume down at the same time and hold it for 7 seconds, which is actually written somewhere here, I believe like right here, though it says side key, hold volume down and side key, like they're all not on the side. So we're gonna hold power button, volume down at the same time, as that's what it means by side, and we're just going to hold it as long as it takes for the device to fully turn off, which is now. And it will automatically start turning on its own. At least I think it should. Or not. So let's boot it up on our own. Come on, Samsung, don't be annoying. There we go. So I think it takes the device a little bit longer, even though it looks like it's off. I think it wasn't actually off. The screen was, but the system wasn't. So we needed to wait fully for it to turn off, and then boots us back into the maintenance mode. So we still need to leave this mode, and we can do so by again going into the settings, again going back to the device care, swiping down and selecting maintenance mode and exit and restart. I need to confirm your screen lock, and this will now bring us back, reboot the device and bring us back into our normal mode where all our applications and data is present. And you can see now we are back in the normal mode with no longer the little watermark. We have more applications, and we actually have something in our gallery. So there we go. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.